troop surge began months ago. One of the deadliest bombs was at a local market where 112 people were killed, 94 others wounded. A hot car bomb went off and a crowd of workers at the market. It happened about an hour after a suicide car bomber crashed into an Iraqi police checkpoint at an entrance to Sadr City, Baghdad's biggest Shia Muslim neighborhood. At least 30 people were killed there. Watching C24, Money News ahead, live from the TSI.
Travel through history is brought to you by Maple Leaf Foods. In Asia Ball during the rule of Claudius II, young men and women celebrate fitness and people value every February 15th. Men would draw a woman's name out of the lottery to be their sexual companion. Claudius the Cruel was having trouble making soldiers rejoin his armies. He figured that men did not want to leave their wives so he began marriage. At this time,